Odyssey, how's it going? Carlos here. So for this week we're going to be doing a Star Wars character. His name is Kylo Ren. I got Kylo Ren from one of the suggestions in last week's video. So this video is going to be a little bit more difficult than the ones that I've usually done, but I've seen Kylo Ren commented a couple times, so I thought I'd go ahead and do it for you guys. So just take your time and please pause the video whenever you need to if I'm going too fast, and let's go ahead and get started. Oh, and one other thing. I posted a video a couple days ago. It's not related to Odyssey learning, so you guys do not need to follow that video. It's a project I needed to do for my school that I go to, Cal State LA, so just don't pay attention to it. You don't need to follow it or anything. You're more than welcome to watch it if you'd like, but it doesn't pertain to you guys. Thanks. Okay, so we're going to start off by drawing our circle. Okay, it doesn't have to be too perfect. And then we're going to draw a line through it, so it's not going to be a straight line, but kind of angled, I guess you can say. And then we're going to straighten out the top a little bit more. And then on the right side, we're going to draw a line straight down, like this. And then another line going vertical to make a triangle, like this. Okay. And then one more line where we stopped on the left side of the circle, and then meet it down at the line we just made. Okay. Now we're going to work on the mask. We're going to draw a line on the right side right here, just like this. So the mask is a little hard to explain in my opinion, so if you can, just follow along with what I'm drawing. Again, pause the video when you need to, and let's go ahead and continue. So watch how I do this. So I'm drawing a line here, a line there, and then we're going to draw another line right about there. It's like about halfway of the circle. And then we're going to meet it down over here. And then we're going to make another line following that line we just drew. And then here comes the tricky part, okay? So just watch instead of me explaining, okay? And then right here, we're just erasing that first line we made, okay? So now that we got the mask done, we're gonna work on the eyes now. So I just drew like two lines right there, meeting the halfway line we drew. And then we're gonna split our circle into threes, like that, okay? Okay, now we're gonna draw our eyes. So we're going up a little, and then we're gonna go back down to that line we just made. And then we're going to round it off like this. So we're starting right about there maybe. Then we're going to go ahead and round it off like this, okay? Just like that. And then we can go ahead and make a little wing on the side of his eye and then color it in. Now what we're going to do is draw a part of his helmet. So we're going to go up like this. Okay, and then we're going to go up like that. And then draw a curved line like that, kind of following the line of his helmet. And now here comes the weird lines that are along his helmet. It's kind of like a pattern. So again, we're just following that line again. Now watch for the second line, watch how I'm going to draw it. It's kind of like a taper. So it starts thick on the bottom, and then as you follow that line, you should be getting smaller. Okay, you see how I did that there? And then when I go all the way to the front, it gets way smaller. See how it's like a tapered shape? And then go ahead and color it in. And then we're going to draw a line from the wing out as a grid mark so we know where we can draw our lines at, or we can start them at. Again, so Kylo Ren is a difficult character to draw, so I think it's easier for you to just pay attention to what I'm doing more than explain. So just try and watch as best you can and pause the video when you need to. So instead of making a new line, I'm continuing it from his eyes right there. See how I did that? Okay, color it in, and then the next line, I'm gonna go up like this. And now for the bottom of the lines we just made, they kind of have shapes. So you can draw a triangle shape, some organic shapes, doesn't really matter. Just make sure to make them all different. Now here comes the random shapes in his face. So there's no particular shapes he has. You can just go ahead and make these shapes I'm drawing or make up your own shapes. Just make sure they're geometrical like this. So I'm gonna go ahead and continue. Now as I go more towards the right of his face with these shapes, they get a little bit smaller. And then by his eyes, the shapes we're going to do are a little bit more uniformed, okay? So I'm going to draw a line right under his eye and then make some shapes along that line. Watch how I do this. One there. And I'm going to do another one here. Then another one there. Okay, and then I'm going to connect all my shapes with just some random lines. He has 3 lines at the top of his mask right there. And then we're going to draw some more shapes going down the edge of the mask like this. Okay, now we're going to work on the back of his helmet. So we're going to draw a line going straight up like this. And then we're going to curve it like that. And then we're going to draw another line right here. Another curved shape. Then we're going to meet it there. And then another curved line here. And now here, just a vertical line, and then we're going to connect it with a curved line, and then connect it with a straight line, and then color it in real quick. Okay. Now we're going to kind of follow our grid line that we drew earlier, just like this. Okay. Like that. And then we're going to draw 2 lines going down for his neck. And then you can go ahead and outline it. If you don't have an outlining marker like this, you could just use a black pen. Either one works. And then grab your eraser, you erase all your grid marks, and then go ahead and sign your work, and there you go, you have Kylo Ren. Alright Odyssey, thanks for watching. That's all I have for you this week. Don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section on what character you might want to see next. So, see you guys later. Thanks.